Let's unlock the incredible benefits of morning light. I mean, have you ever wondered why a bright and sunny morning has such a positive effect on your mood and energy levels? Well, it's not just in your head. Morning sunlight offers a multitude of incredible benefits for your health and well-being. I mean, let's talk about these amazing benefits that exist. But first, I want to say hello to everyone and welcome to my channel. It's good to see you all. I hope you make use of these wonderful tips that I offer to transform your health and wellness. After all, the focus of this channel is on the mind-body connection, and that means your mental well-being. But let's get into now the incredible benefits of morning sunlight. And here's this lady waking up and stretching. First and foremost, exposure to morning sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock that's also known as your circadian rhythm. Okay? The body's circadian rhythm, our 24-hour internal clock, likes regularity and schedules. I mean, this can lead to better sleep at night and improved alertness during the day. But when rhythms are off, what happens is that people wind up experiencing like groggy mornings, less energy, and difficulty falling asleep at night. I mean, you might turn out to be like this guy just staring at the ceiling at night because you just don't have your circadian rhythm down. And that means a lot of other body processes are connected to the circadian rhythm, like your sleep and hormones and mood and appetite. I mean, I bet you didn't even realize like that the appetite is connected. I've realized that over time. But let me give you a tip here with what to do and why. So get to the window, and I know it's weather dependent, but let's not talk about that right now. And you're going to open up the curtains and you're going to allow the light to bathe you. This signals your body that the natural circadian rhythm to know that you're awake now and to supply you with alertness. I mean, it's time to say goodbye to melatonin, which we like at night. It helps us to go to sleep, but we don't want it in the morning. The good thing in the morning would be if we could get out and, it really improves our energy levels and our mood. So if we could get out in the morning sunlight, it'll boost this. And I highly recommend, if you're able to, not to wear sunglasses.
Hello, lovely
in the
people.
morning light.
Here I am. I'm out here in the morning light. I'm on the way to see a holistic caregiver client of mine. And the morning light is bathing me, and it feels fabulous. And I'm getting all this wonderful exercise. And I'm going to take off my sunglasses, as you should, to let some of the light into your eyes.
You felt it, and we all have, that morning light is medicinal. The natural light stimulates the production of serotonin in the brain, which is a neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of happiness and well-being. I mean, it's just like fantastic. So we like that. It, improves our mood and happiness, and we'll take all of it, okay? This is a natural upper. You get my point. We want the natural way to go. And here's another idea. You could have a cup of coffee or tea and sit outside. Why not? Enjoy yourself. If you can, it's really fabulous. And finally, there's a lot of other benefits of the morning light that goes physiologically also in the vitamin D zone, okay? It's really great. It has a positive effect on your skin and bones. The UV rays in sunlight are necessary for the production of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining your healthy bones and skin. So the next time you have an opportunity to soak up some morning sunlight, I say take advantage of it. Your body and mind will thank you for it. At the end of the day, you're going to go, oh my goodness, I feel very good. I had a natural dose here of it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Please like and comment. I look forward to assisting you, and if you'd like to schedule a session with me, please follow that email right here on the screen, and I welcome you to support me in my membership at Patreon. There's 4 different levels, and they're lovely with many freebies and content that I only do over there. I'm sending you my wellness wishes always.